Society of London for Improving Natural Knowledge, here with a new discovery, Isaac Newton.
Gentlemen and other gentlemen, last week I was sitting under a tree when an apple fell upon my head. This led to my greatest discovery. Gravity!
What is this gravity?
It is an invisible force that pulls apples to the ground. Gravity!
Excuse me.
Yes, Robert Hooke, my friend and occasional rival. You have a question?
So you're saying there's an invisible force that is responsible for pulling objects towards larger objects?
Oh, not objects, Mr. Hooke. Apples.
This is sensational. Why, such a force could explain why the moon goes around the Earth.
I suppose if the moon has enough apples on it, yes, it could explain that.
Wait. Are you saying gravity only applies to apples?
Yes, sorry, was that not clear? Gravity!
But wouldn't it apply to other objects as well?
I suppose it would affect pears, they're very similar.
What about this book? It falls to the ground. Is it not affected by gravity?
Is it somehow made of apples?
No.
Then it's not affected by gravity, then is it? Oh, the moon is made of apples. That's why it goes around the Earth.
It is not! The moon is not made of apples!
Oh, sorry. Have you been to the moon then? Robert Hooke, first man to walk on the moon, eh?
Well, no, but it isn't made of apples. I'm just saying that a force that pulls apples to the Earth would more likely than not pull all objects to it as well.
It doesn't pull birds to the ground, does it?
Or ghosts.
Ghosts are not real.
You first heard about gravity about 4 minutes ago, so I find it rather presumptuous that you're suddenly acting like an expert.
Well, it just so happens that I have been working on my own theory that says that objects are attracted to each other based on size and mass.
I don't know, sounds a bit like my gravity theory.
Except you're saying it only applies to apples!
Same basic concept though, isn't it? Invisible force, pulling objects and all that.
Gentlemen, enough. We'll take a vote. Those in favor of adopting Newton's theory of gravity say aye. Those in favor of Robert Hooke's theory?
Oh, come on!
Next we have a lecture by Father Smythe titled Why Witches Float and How to Burn Them.